Hope everybody's having a good day. So if you've got one of these trucks and you're using it to work out of, you know, everybody uses their truck bed. And one of the things that people try to do is, you know, they put liners like this. You know, there's several companies that make these coatings for the bed, or they're putting rubber mats or things like that in them. These are roughly $500 to $1,500 to have done. And I wanted to give you guys an option that might be way cheaper and benefits you guys a ton. And another thing, if you're putting stuff in your bed, a lot of times you'll end up busting these pucks or losing one, or someone slides something in your bed and they hit it and then it knocks it off and breaks it. I've busted I don't know how many of those little puck tops just doing stuff. I use my bed for everything from sawmill blades to lumber to, I mean, four-wheelers, all kinds of stuff. So this company reached out to me. Yes, they sent me this for free. Just want everybody to know. But anything that I try to show you guys, I just want to give you options for what they have. And what they've sent me today is this bed mat. And what I want you to see is how detailed they've got this thing. So you've not only got your puck covers, but you've got the bolt covers. And I know a lot of people, I would get this anyway, but if you're looking for a cheaper option, then a lot of times you don't really tear the tailgate up, but you tear up in here because you hit this or you hit these nuts here. So I'm going to slide this in here, and I want you to look. You've got covers for every bolt, every nook, everything on there. So you've got a completely covered bed with a flat lip front. Now, this would be a great option for some of you guys. And this is from a company that I will list in the bio and put a link for. So let's get this in here so you guys can see it, and then we'll go from there. So I want you guys to look at how well the fit and finish of this is. Not only does it look good, but it fits every one of your pucks perfectly. And this has got, the thing that I notice is it covers like 1.5 inches of the bottom ring of your bed, and it goes below everything flawlessly. So it sits below your cleats, sits below this, and it just tucks in the corners extremely well. Now, let's see if the tailgate will shut while it's got this on here like it. Oh, I've got the little kicker down. So let me put this up. It's crazy, it knew that was like it. Must have a sensor in there. So fits perfectly. Let your door close. It's not intervening with your seam here, so water can still run out. I mean, guys, this is, I don't get excited about a lot of things, but this is a really cool bed cover. So if you guys are looking for something, a really cheap option. Another thing I want to test is I'm going to throw a sawmill blade down on it, because this is extremely thick. So the ability for this to take abuse is going to be great. I mean, it's probably, I don't know how thick it is, but I'll show you over here. So you can see there, it's a very thick material. And I love the look of it, to be honest. But like I said, you cover your pucks, so you're not gonna worry about if you slide something into it, it's gonna bust one of the puck covers. This company also sent me floor liners, and I'm gonna show you guys that. This is one of our sawmill blades, and it is extremely sharp. You can see the tip of that profile. I'm gonna throw it just in the bed of that, because this material here can catch on it. You can see how it takes the impact and didn't mark it up hardly at all. I mean, you can barely see where it touched. It didn't go through it or anything. So this is gonna be a really good option for you guys that don't wanna pay for a factory spray-in liner, and you still want it to be not super slick like the truck bed is. This will actually keep stuff from sliding around to a certain degree. Like I was saying, this company makes the floor liners also, and you can see for the rear how it has the fold down for your side and everything. And then to go over the cleats, it's a soft rubber style material. Here's one in the front, as you can see, and it's got your little click-in rivets for the floor mats, so it holds in place. You can see how it fits up under here. But these come in a kit where you can get the 2 front liners and the rear liner, and then also I think there's a kit for everything, so you can get the liners and then also this bed cover, which this thing is so cool. And like you can see, I've got this on here, and it helps with not slipping, plus keeps all your pucks and everything safe. That way you can't break them or knock them out or lose them. But I'm going to give these away in a later video, so stay tuned and let me know what you think in the comments, and maybe a good way to give these away. Maybe you can let me know.